Turn on the power first. The inverter is powered on. Turn on the controller and servo motor is powered on. Heat on. Thermostat starts. This is the nozzle. This is the plunger. This is the feed screw. This is the core iron. Press the mode key. Cursor blinks. Left and right keys to select. Up and down keys to set. Finally, press the mode key to exit. Here is the setting temperature. The above is the actual measured temperature. Turn on the fan button. Frequency converters are used to control hydraulic station motors. Power default maximum setting 50 Hz. Prevent overload of oversized motor. Turn the knob counterclockwise to make the number smaller and the speed slower. Emergency stop button is used to stop equipment in emergency situations. Rotate to the right to reset. Metal sensor indicator light is on. Press emergency stop. Emergency stop reset. Press the start button. Reset. The reset program can only be executed from the beginning. Clamping force generated by clamping hydraulic cylinder. This is the ejection cylinder. This is the control of the tailstock front and rear. This is the injection cylinder. Press clamping on the manual interface. Press the mold opening on the manual interface. Because the fluid pressure is so high, do not insert your hand into the actuator. Press manually eject. Now operate the tailstock forward. Press the tailstock to move forward. Tailstock backward. Mold opening time. Hydraulics control distance through time. Clamping time control clamping. Double click to modify. Forward time backward time control tailstock. This time is equivalent to the distance advanced by the tailstock. Reset for emergency stop. Input monitoring for viewing button actions. Manual injection for plunger advance. Screw feed speed is slower than injection speed. Channels create cavities. Feed compensation can be set. Manual feeding. Press the feed servo motor to rotate. Feed speed up to 50,000. Clamp time means mold closing time. Open time means the mold opening time. Holding time, the time of hydraulic holding after the plastic is injected. Feed compensation. Feed compensation is the same as manual mode. Product generates flash. Explain that there is too much injection material. Feed compensation, double-click the number to make it smaller. Because the ABS or PC heating nozzle will overflow, advance the tailstock so that the nozzle is away from the gate after the injection is completed. Two seconds. It's 2 seconds forward. Tailstock back. Injection retraction. Too much material overflow causes the piston to retreat a certain distance. After reset, the tail seat will be closed forward and needs to be opened manually. Number of ejections. The number of loops is how many times the program is repeated. 0 represents one injection of the product. Mold open dwell. Some parts require additional mold opening to allow for cooling compensation in order to prevent deformation when ejected before fully cooled. You must not put your hand in during operation. In an emergency, please shoot and stop. There are 2 installation methods for shooting molds. The first type of lock screw. Second is pressing plate.